So what is the difference between two sets and how do we find it? So the difference between two sets is a new set containing all the unique elements which are found in one set but not in the other one. So for instance, let's say we have A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say we have B, which is 3, 5, 6, and 7. So what is the difference between A and B? So in order to find A and B, we have to remove from A all the common elements with B. So 3 is a common element, and also 5 is another common element. So the difference between A and B is just all the left elements in A, which in this case are 1, 2, and 4. So what about if you want to find the difference between B and A, given those sets? So we have to remove from B all the common elements with A, so 3 and 5. Therefore, we are left with 6 and 7. And that's the answer. Let's try another example. Let's say we have A, 1, 5, and 10. And let's say we have B, 1, 5, 10, 15. So what is A minus B? So in order to find the difference between A and B, we have to remove from A all the elements that are found in B. In this case, B contains everything that A contains, because A is a subset of B. So we have to remove 1, 5, and 10 from A, and so we are left with the empty set. And if we want to find the difference between B and A instead, in this case we are just left with 15, which is the only value that we find in B, but we don't find in A. So the difference between B and A is just 15. Let's try the last one. Let's say we have A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's say we have B, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What do you think the difference between A and B is going to be in this case? So, since in this case we don't find any common elements between A and B, the difference between A and B is just going to be the same as A. So, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because we don't have to remove anything. And the same applies for the difference between B and A. We don't have to remove anything from B. So we are just left with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which is the same as B. And that's the answer.